Hi everyone, this is Sherry Rice Smith with EFT for Christians. I'd like to do a Tapping Thursday tip. I will try to upload as many of these as I can. They're quick and easy and fast. Okay, one of the questions I am often asked by newbies is what happens if I happen to skip a tapping point during my learning process when I'm first starting, and then all of a sudden I perhaps skip the under the nose. My answer to that is nothing. Each point, because of its physiological location, calms the body. We can even pick one tapping spot, whatever you choose, and you can tap on it for as long as you want and it'll still calm us. My suggestion to you is this: if you find yourself skipping a point, just continue to practice until you have the tapping sequence learned, and then use it the way that research shows that it works, which means tapping on all of the tapping spots. Remember though that the tapping sequence component parts, complete with the setup, measuring your suds, and tapping rounds, is a more thorough and better healing way to use EFT. And there's a specific reason for each of those component parts: the suds, the setup, and the rounds. And all of the research done from various people on EFT shows why this is so. So again, just learn to, keep practicing. You'll get it sooner or later. We've all skipped them. Now there's one more point here. Sometimes when you find that perhaps you're skipping repetitively one spot, some people will say, well, then I'm just going to skip it. And you can do that, but often we find that the spot you're skipping happens to be the point that corresponds to whatever physiological location that you really need more than anything. But that's your determination as to whether to skip it or to go ahead and tap on it. And I've done that, where I have just picked a spot and tapped on it for quite some time. And I find that often just relieves it because there's a memory or some kind of a negative event attached to it. Remember, EFT is not a substitute for any sound medical advice. If you have a physiological problem or emotional problem, please go see the doctor. Visit us at EFTforChristians.com. We have a new network. You can email me off the EFTforChristians.com page, and I will send you that link. It is a private board. It is non-Facebook. It doesn't have ads, so we're pretty excited about this. All right, guys, take care. All right, bye-bye.